When it comes to withdrawing funds from Uphold, choosing the right method can save time, reduce fees, and ensure your money lands where you need it quickly. Among the available withdrawal options, bank transfer, debit card transfer, and cryptocurrency withdrawals stand out as the most efficient. Each method comes with its advantages, and knowing which to use depends on your priorities, speed, cost, and convenience. Bank transfers are ideal for those looking to move larger amounts safely. Uphold allows withdrawals directly to your linked bank account in local currency. For USD transfers, the process usually takes between 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's processing times. Fees are typically lower than instant options, making this method economical for larger sums. The interface is straightforward. Simply select your account, enter the amount in dollars, and confirm. Your funds arrive securely without the need for third-party platforms. Debit card withdrawals offer near-instant access to cash. By linking your Visa or MasterCard, you can transfer funds from Uphold directly to your card. This method is especially useful for smaller amounts or urgent needs. The processing time is usually under an hour, and the fees are moderate, reflecting the convenience of immediate access. For users who value speed over cost, this is often the preferred choice. Cryptocurrency withdrawals provide flexibility for users already holding digital assets. With Uphold, you can send funds directly to another crypto wallet. This method bypasses traditional banking entirely and can be faster depending on network traffic. While fees vary by blockchain, the ability to move funds globally without converting to fiat is a significant advantage. Overall, the best Uphold withdrawal method balances cost, speed, and convenience. For most users, bank transfers are optimal for larger sums, debit card transfers excel for fast access, and crypto withdrawals work well for digital-first transactions. By selecting the right approach, you maximize efficiency and minimize unnecessary costs when moving your money in dollars.